What's up, YouTube? We're back with another episode of What the Hell Am I Doing? Tonight, it's another crazy episode. Almost a special episode, it's so crazy. We're doing something lemon related again, but I wouldn't call this a sour challenge. I'm going to call this my first lemon challenge because this one is strictly lemons. I don't have a studio audience today, so there won't be any chit-chat or banter. I hope that doesn't take away from the quality of the video. I'm hoping that the challenge in front of me is the quality of the video, of course. Me and my champ aura. So let's get right down to it. I've seen a lot of people doing lemon challenges out there. You already see me eat one during my sour challenge a couple weeks ago. But that seems to be the new thing, is to eat a lemon without making a face. I think I can do this. So I'm going to do this. But I'm not going to just do one. I'm going to eat all four of these. I've got 4 lemons here. And I'm going to eat them without making a face like a champ. And if that doesn't work out, then I'm just going to eat them like a champ. That's going 12 rounds still. So I think we should get right down to it. I think we'll see how this goes. So the only face I'm going to be making is my game face, which might be my mad dog face, because I'm going to mad dog this. But before we get to that, before I mad dog anything, make sure you click that button right here. Subscribe to the channel. Let's keep this thing going. We need to get to 150 subscribers if you guys want to see me do the mother of all bars. That's the crazy Carolina Reaper and Trinidad Scorpion chocolate bar from Willie Pete's Chocolates. If you guys want me to do that, I think I need to see 150 subscribers for that to happen. I think I might have a challenge for in between now and then that I think you're all going to like. But yeah, click the button there, please. Subscribe to the channel. I know a lot of you are watching. I know a lot of you aren't subscribed. And I'd appreciate it if you did. I promise I'm going to make it worth it to you by bringing it on. So that's out of the way. Let's get down to this. I'm going to just cut the ends off of this bad boy. And I've never. Last time I ate the lemon here on video was the only time in my life I've ever actually eaten a lemon. So, these are kind of big. They smell very citrusy. Lemons smell good. I mean, I am a lemon, and I smell good. So, this should be no big deal. It's cute like an orange. So that's one. I think we'll eat one whole. Maybe the finale will be a whole one without a face. And I think, I was thinking of doing maybe quarters again for a couple. I don't know if that makes it easier or not. But we'll try it and get warmed up to this. I'm going to set a timer. I'm not going to be able to do this for all night. I'm going to have to knock this off within 5 minutes. So it's going to be a time challenge. These are my own kind of rules. But the most important part is that I cannot make a face reacting to the sourness of the lemon. So if I do that, I guess I'm a loser, even though I'm the champ. So we'll see what happens. This is not the usual hot challenge that I do, but that's okay. I got a hot challenge for round 2. If I make this easily, then it'll be punishment for being easy, and if I fail this, then it's going to be punishment for failing. Either way, I'm being punished. Doesn't seem to work out too fairly, but that's okay. Everybody likes to see me lose, or at least be punished. So here we go. We got all the lemons cut into pieces. Everything is ready to go. I think it's time to show you all what a madman the champ really is. So here we go. Oh, by the way, go Leafs go. The Leafs are leading the series after a very important win last night in Boston. I think they're going to knock out the Bruins and 602-year-old Zdeno Chara this week, so that'd be great. And of course, I'm growing a playoff beard like I always do when the Leafs are in the playoffs. It's good luck. It hasn't been for, the entire time I've been doing it, but this year it's going to be. So, go Leafs go. Tonight we got a big fight with Crawford and Khan. Yeah, I think that's going to be a good fight. Crawford's probably going to kill him. And from one champ to another, good luck to Bud Crawford. It's going to be a great boxing match. I'm looking forward to it. So let's get down to business. I've already spoken enough. And it's time to show you guys how to put on a mad dog face and destroy lemons. And I'm going to eat all this. In 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Oh. Mad dog. Oh. Delicious. It's that might have been a face. It wasn't really a reactionary face though, it was swallowing, so I didn't react with a face. And that's what this is about. I don't think that was a face. I'll just look at you like a stone cold assassin of lemon eating. It's sour. It's very sour, as you might expect. But I feel good. I feel like I've got this. It feels like it might be getting sunny outside. I'm not sure. It's been crap for the last 2 days. Let's not talk about the weather though. Let's talk about killing lemons. That one was that one was a bit zippy, if that's a word. How much time do we got? 2:54. I still got 1, 2, 2.5 lemons plus a full one. Mad dog. Mad dog. So it's done. I hope I'm not making a face in reaction. I know I made a mad dog face. Mad dog. Oh, it's good. It's good. Whoop. I'm dropping it all over the place. Oh, it's getting hard. Oh, 148. No reaction. I recede. My hands are doing all sorts of weird stuff. it's getting gross. Is it ever getting gross? Oh crap. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh. 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 I didn't do it. Crap. Oh. Oh God. Oh. Oh God. Oh. Oh. I failed. Oh God. Oh. I failed. I got through almost all of it. Click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. Oh. Oh. Like, share, subscribe. I can't. Oh. Ugh. 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 I can't do it. I think I took it 12 rounds. Oh God. That was gross. My teeth feel weird. And I feel weird. But I think I still kind of crushed that. I don't know. I don't care. It's gross. So. Yeah. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This was awesome. It was really worth it, I could tell. So, 150 subscribers. And we'll do the mother of all bars. Come back for round 2 later tonight. Because I failed. So it's punishment. Well, I didn't fail. I pretty much almost did it. I guess that means I failed. Round 2 later. Oh, and if you want, you can watch these 2 previous shows. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe.